In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to create viral YouTube thumbnails. Canva is a fantastic tool for designing eye-catching thumbnails that can grab the attention of potential viewers, and today I'm going to guide you through the process of creating one that stands out using some of Canva's user-friendly features. To get started, open Canva in your web browser. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but don't worry, it's free and quick to set up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in thumbnail. This is where our creative journey begins. You'll find a variety of thumbnail templates that suit different styles and themes. Take your time to browse through these options, as choosing the right template is crucial for setting the tone of your video. Once you find a template you love, click on it. Now that you've selected your template, it's time to dive into customization. Click on Customize this template to open the template in Canva's design editor. This space is where you'll be adding your personal touch. The first element to tackle is the text. Double click on any text element you want to change and start typing in your own content. Make sure the text is bold and easy to read, as it's the first thing viewers will notice when your thumbnail pops up in their YouTube feed. Think about using colors and fonts that align with your channel's brand for consistency and recognizability. Next, we're going to add some imagery to our thumbnail, which is a great way to make it visually appealing. Move over to the left-hand menu and click on Uploads. If you have an image you'd like to include, simply drag and drop it into this space. You can also click on Upload Media to select images from your device. Once you've uploaded your image, drag it onto your template and position it to fit your design perfectly. Play around with the layout until everything feels just right. Remember, visuals are key in making your thumbnail intriguing and inviting, and that's all there is to it. After you've completed your design, it's time to save and download your work. Click on the download button in the top right corner and choose your preferred file type. Usually a high quality PNG or JPEG works best for YouTube. Your new thumbnail is now ready to dazzle your audience and hopefully bring in more clicks to your video. So there you have it, a simple guide to crafting engaging YouTube thumbnails using Canva. With these tools at your fingertips, you can let your creativity run wild and help your videos get the attention they deserve. Thanks for watching and happy designing.